Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've got another iPhone 14 Pro video for you. This video is going to be the unboxing of the Deep Purple 14 Pro. This is a color that I've wanted to see in person ever since they announced it because this finish is really unique. Personally, I'm a big fan of the color purple and I was debating between either the Deep Purple or the silver. Myself, I got the 14 Pro Max in silver and this phone actually is my brother's. He just got an upgrade today at Telus. So the one he went with was the 14 Pro in Deep Purple, the 128GB model. He was nice enough to let me unbox it for you guys on the channel, so let's go ahead and open this thing up and see just how nice that purple looks. Alright guys, so here's the box. So pretty standard packaging. We've just got a front picture of the phone, we've got Dynamic Island on the box, and then we've got this nice gradient wallpaper. There's the side, so iPhone is written in that deep purple, and same thing on the other side. Then there's the bottom with the purple Apple logo, and then there's the top, another Apple logo. Then there's the back of the box here. This is the 128GB model. Now let's open it up. Now I don't have the pull tabs to open or anything because we did have to open the phone at Telus to get it all set up. So this is technically the second time I'm actually unboxing this thing, but let's go ahead and get started. So we'll take off the cover, and there is the Deep Purple, and I gotta say I really like this colorway, and I think it's a really great addition to the iPhone lineup this year. I'm really liking the purple stainless steel sides as well on the phone. I think that looks really awesome. But quickly, before we get the phone all set up, let's see what comes inside of the box. So we just get the basic 1 meter USB-C to lightning cable. Unfortunately, the phone is still not USB-C this year, but you do get the cable of course, but it does not come with the 20-watt charging brick, which in my opinion it 100% should be coming with at least the Pro models. So that's that. Then let's take a look at some of the paperwork here. So designed by Apple in California. Inside we just get our SIM ejector because we're in Canada, which means that we still use the physical SIM cards, and I know if you guys are in the United States you guys don't anymore. I know some people are pretty upset about that, but in Canada, like I was just saying, we still have the SIM tray, which is right here on the left of the phone, and we already put the SIM card in at Telus, so we don't have to do it now. But if we did, just get that SIM ejector, pop it open, and put the SIM card in. Other than that, you just get some basic paperwork, and you do get an Apple sticker. I do wish that the color of the sticker reflected the phone color, meaning this Apple logo would be purple. I think that would be pretty cool, but we just get a basic white Apple sticker. So we'll put that back in the box and get that out of the shot. Now back to the phone. So everything is very familiar. We've got the power button on the right, the volume up and down, and the volume rocker on the left. There's the bottom, so we've got the speakers and the lightning port. And now let's quickly take a look at the cameras here, because the main camera has actually gotten a pretty good upgrade this year. We're going from 12 megapixels to 48, so that's a pretty significant difference. And since the camera's got a bit of an upgrade this year, you can kind of tell that the camera bump is a lot bigger than normal. The cases that companies are going to be making this year are going to have a lip on the case to cover those cameras, and the lip is going to be pretty huge compared to previous models. But overall, I really like the Deep Purple. I think it's really unique. I think it stands out, and I like how the color kind of changes as you move it towards different levels of light. Now let's go ahead and set it up. So just hold on to the power button and the Apple logo is going to pop up. Now it brings you to the hello screen. So we'll just swipe up there. We'll hit English and then Canada. We'll go set up manually, but if you do have your old phone, you can put it right beside it and set it up like that. Now we just choose Wi-Fi, so Stark Industries 5G. I'll type in the passcode. Data and privacy, we'll hit continue. Face ID, we'll hit setup later. Then you just create a passcode, so I'll make mine right now. Now we're on to apps and data, so we're going to be backing this one up from an iCloud backup. So I'll just type all that in now. So now that the iCloud backup is selected, we're on to terms and conditions. I'll just hit agree, I don't want to read them. Make this your new phone. Let's go ahead and hit continue. I'll add this to the wallet later. Alright, so iPhone Analytics, we'll share that with Apple. Same thing with App Analytics. So with the iPhone 14s, we get some more safety features here. So you can see right here, emergency SOS, so you can actually use satellites to relay an SOS message, which is new. Then there's also crash detection built into the phone as well. Hopefully you don't have to use it, but just in case, it is a feature that's on the new phones. Alright, now we're just going to wait for the iCloud backup. It should take roughly 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll pick up from there. Alright, so the Deep Purple iPhone 14 Pro is all set up now. Like I said, in my silver 14 Pro Max unboxing, I'm really liking the Dynamic Island. It's really really intuitive. The animations are really cool. It's definitely not a necessity for an upgrade, but it is something that's a really cool feature that Apple added. I'll just quickly show you a couple things here. So let's say I want to play a song. I'm not going to play it out loud, of course, because of copyright, but let's say I'm going to play this one. So if you're playing the song and then swipe up, it goes towards the dynamic island, and then if you want to go back to the music app, you just click on that. So just really cool animations like that. It's very unique. The display is 120 Hertz, so it's going to be super buttery smooth, and everything in the phone is going to be powered by the A16 Bionic, so it should be a breeze for pretty much every application you can throw at it. There's also autofocus on the front-facing camera, and it's a 12 megapixel camera too. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Deep Purple 14 Pro. It is definitely the standout color for the Pro model phones this year. So guys, that was the unboxing of the 14 Pro in Deep Purple. Hopefully that gave you a better understanding as to what that purple actually looks like in person. I know online it always looks different than it does in real life, so hopefully this helped you out. Personally, I think the purple is very well done, and I highly recommend it for anyone considering one of the 14 Pro models. And personally, I did not get the purple for my own phone. I got the silver 14 Pro Max, which I will be reviewing next week, so stay tuned for that video. But anyways, that's it for today's video, the unboxing of the 14 Pro. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys liked the video, make sure you like it down below and subscribe if you are new. And if you guys want to see the unboxing of the silver 14 Pro Max or the space black 14 Pro, make sure you check out those videos too. But that's the end of this one. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.